Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just 9 days ago, to be precise on January 22nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $25.64. And at this point, my main assumption was that as long as this bottom holds, we were relatively bullish, and this movement from this bottom was the first wave. Second, we were anticipating the next leg to the upside, but if this level breaks, we have to retest this level of support at $23.66, and potentially SOFI even could break it. And take a look right here. This is the actual price action of SOFI, and since I made my previous video, this asset went sideways, but then it went lower. And guys, take a look right here. If I zoom into, let's say, 5 minutes time frame, you can see how precise technical analysis is. You can see that it was a retest of the level that I drew previously of $23.66. Let me show you again right here, $23.66, exactly this level. And it had a first bounce to the upside on a very good earnings results. But then on a regular session, the price went lower. Take a look again right here. It was a retest of this level of support again. It was a slight small bounce to the upside, and then a breakout below this level of support. This is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you why did it happen with SOFI, what should we expect next, and how you can benefit out of its movements. And first of all, let me show you some fundamentals. You know that SOFI beaten expectations. They published their earnings report just a couple of days ago. And they beaten expectations on earnings per share by 12.79% and on revenue by 3.62%. And why in the world, despite these quite good results, the price of SOFI went lower? And let me explain you why. First of all, let's take a look at the general sentiment related to SOFI stock. And to be honest, guys, all of these news are very bullish on SOFI. You can click on each and every one of them and you can see that, well, the earnings results are amazing for SOFI. You can see it right here. This is their earnings report, and they increased their members by 35% on year-over-year growth. They increased products by 37%. All of the parameters, to be honest, as usual, were much better than expected, and for some reason the price of SOFI went lower. First of all, guys, I want to pay attention to the update from analytic firms. Right after SOFI published their earnings report, we have a new rating from Mizuho Securities. Dan Dolev reiterated its buy rating with a price target of $38, which is about 66, almost 67% of upside potential. Definitely very promising update. And in general, you can see that we have the average price target among 11 analysts at the price point of $27.06, which is about 18.63% of upside potential. And guys, fundamentally, I have no doubts that SOFI will go much higher. But from the technical standpoint, we have some news that are not so positive. And let me explain what I'm talking about. Before we dive deep into all of this, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And let's zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame. And on a bigger scale, guys, I explained to you that from this bottom that was established at the very beginning of April of last year to this top, SOFI completed its 5 waves, all 5 waves. And this was a potential ABC correction. And this bottom, I thought that it is the bottom for the entire so-called flat correction. And in this case, we could have this movement to the upside that potentially might land at this green rectangle above $37.67. But instead of the breakout above previous swing highs, it broke this crucial level of support. And unfortunately, guys, this count is eliminated completely. I don't want to show you this purple line as well. And we have quite tricky part, quite messy part from ABCs, from different ABC structures. And well, to be honest, it is not so easy to identify where we are on this smaller scale. But with this breakout below this bottom, we can clearly say that potentially this is the last leg of ABC correction on a bigger scale. Because from this top, we might have, this is our A wave, this is our B wave in some kind of flat correction, and this is our C wave. This is one potential setup. Another potential breakdown might be like this. This is A, this is B, and well, I don't need this one. This entire movement is C wave, and C wave should strictly have a 5-wave structure. And from this top, again, let me delete these 2 levels and this level as well. I don't like to have so much tools on the price chart. With this movement, we have 1, 2. This entire is wave 3. We are about to see wave 4 and another leg to the downside that potentially will land at the bottom of the C wave. Let me mark these movements like this. And because of it is a diagonal, we have 3 waves inside each and every waves out of 5 in the C wave. And guys, for now, I think that we might see this movement to the upside. To be honest, I don't know how high it can be. We might have a small movement, tiny movement to the downside that will complete its structure on a smaller scale. Then we might have a retest of this level of resistance and another leg to the upside. Or we might have a breakout above this this level of resistance at $23.66, and then another leg to the downside that will again complete its 5th wave inside the C wave. Or in the most bullish scenario, we already, wait a second, we have a little bit different count, and let's delete this one. We potentially might have this as our bottom, but to confirm this most bullish count, we have to see the breakout, sustained breakout first of all above $23.66, then breakout above this one, and the most important is breakout above this previous swing high from $29.96 to $30.5 marks. And yes, guys, for now it is too early to make this assumption that we are in the most bullish count. Please do not try to predict the market. You have to react on the market, and based on its movements you can benefit out of the entire story. So let's do some measurements and let's project how deep the bottom of the C wave might land. First of all, let's do it like this. If I pull Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top, the top of the fifth wave, we might have $19.62 as the point of control for the bottom of the C wave. If I pull it, if my breakdown inside this movement is incorrect and we have potentially the top of our wave right here, our range of support becomes at $20.43. Not a big difference. So guys, and yes, to be honest, we have to see more data right after this breakout happened, and probably the level of control, the point of its trend reversal might be somewhere around $20 mark, but the path to this $20 might be different. We can go directly to this bottom, we can go with some kind of bounce to the upside and to the $20 mark, or we can have this as our lowest point. For now, it is too early to make this assumption, but fundamentally this stock is very bullish in my opinion, and this movement to the downside is just an overreaction of the entire banking system, because you know that one of the main reserves for each and every country, gold and silver, had a tremendous drop during the Friday session, and that is why the entire banking system, I would say, for the planet, for our planet, was in quite harsh hurricane, I would say. That is why, guys, be cautious and wait for more confirmation. And fundamentally, I want to tell you one more time, this company is very bullish, and even from this point we have not more than 13% to the downside to the potential point of trend reversal. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,